I don't want to do any more art and upload it for you because I want to be paid. I don't want to talk about Doeg anymore because I want to be paid. But since I'm in this arena, I'm going to talk for a few seconds to the arrogant people, to the proud people who graduate from YouTube with a degree in stupidity. If you want to deal with the system, you will be destroyed. You can't win this. They have all the minds in the world to figure out how to destroy one individual. Everything is based upon a lie. I told you this time and time again. Everything is based upon a lie. There is no reality. Those who are fake get the cake. I am not a lawyer. I do some basic artwork, and what I do is for entertainment. If you are a deviant, a defect, a hard ass, a rebel, you have been dumbed down by geoengineering to be a savage or a barbarian, then there's only two roads for you. Either you will be one, killed and have a grave in a cemetery, or you'll be put in the penitentiary as a slave, or you'll live out your remaining days on death row. But you will be taken out of the game. You're just a cog in a wheel. You mean nothing to them. If you're someone that's in the system and you're dissatisfied with your life and you want to play by your rules because you want to cheat, you don't want to do a payout, you want to drive your car without a driver's license or insurance, then you will deal with them in the court system. And you become a ward of the state. They speak dog Latin or pig Latin. But you have to understand something here. Your parents betrayed whoever you are. They betrayed you at conception, inception, at birth. You want to deal with the UCC 1 form or whatever the UCC codes are to gain status of your being, it doesn't mean shit in the end, okay? It doesn't mean anything. You will comply. All right? My only point here is just one little point. To file a motion, the whole thing is based upon a lie anyway. The contract was invalid at birth. And if you go check all the stats and all the records, you will realize that's the only card you have to play. That one card. And you can't identify yourself. And even if you don't identify that self, they'll send you to a psych ward or a psych court for a trial for your competency to bring you back so they can charge you with something. See, it's all a game to them because they don't want to pay. They work for the crown. The crown works for the Vatican. The U.S. has been incorporated since the 1870s. Your birth certificates. That's the form of slavery. They number you like cattle. And I'm getting too long-winded, and I bring all this stuff to a close. You have to file legal dockets for everything that you're going to do. If you entered their world, the world of the dead, the court system, you will lose. You can't go into the building, period. You have to go down to the clerk's office and file dockets to stay out of the system. And you always have to file dockets to stay one step ahead of them. If the concept is, no, I do not consent. But if you arrogant and you're narcissistic and you big mouth and you want to be your own lawyer and you want to fight those people, lose. These people have been trained from birth as agents of the court. They make their money because the system takes care of them, the crown. They take care of their own. They're Luciferians. And they feed off of your energy. It's all a fiction, right? The birth certificate's a lie. Do your own research. But if there is no name, meaning that they're trying to connect the straw man with you. Are you this person? No, I'm not. It's a trick. You want a lawyer? No, I don't. Are you an agent for this person? Are you representing? No, I'm not. I plead the fifth, Your Honor. But if you're going to disrespect the person in the system, the judge, you're already doomed. Your fate is sealed. But I see all this stuff all the time, and my only point is, are these people that I'm seeing on the web, on the news, are they mentally ill? Some of the people that are agents are murdering other people, even children, even raping them, police officers, whatever, and they end up in a system chewed up, destroyed in the penal codes by the prison systems. That's all I want to say, people. Goodbye.